Hey guys, hope all is well. Back at you again with another new exclusive here in Long Bay Development, St. Philip. Here we have a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house on an attractive street. So let's go in. You have easy parking, a decent amount of front lawn, additional parking, so no need to park on the street. And the land size is just over 19,000 square feet, closer to 20,000. Just a view of the front lawn. There is a roof deck here. We could look at that after. So you have here your open living and dining area. Followed by the kitchen. Plenty cupboard space. Laundry with your laundry sink. That door leads to the garage. Another look at the living and dining area. You have a full bathroom. I would imagine whoever that buy this property would want to do some upgrades, maybe to the bathrooms and kitchen. So here you have bedroom 1. This one is on the western side of the property. Now let's take a look at the main bedroom. This one is a generous size. Ensuite bathroom. Down the hallway, you have here bedroom 3. Full bathroom. This is to service the 2 bedrooms on each side of this bathroom or guests. And here you have bedroom number 4. That double door leads to the back patio deck. And back out to the front lawn. So this is the rear of the property. Even though you see the short enclosure right there, the land goes all the way to the main street. Let me step over so you could get a full appreciation for how extensive this land is. So this is the back of the property. So off of this street, you have Wyndham right down to the end of that street. Then heading in the western direction would take you to Crane Resort, Crane Beach. If you want to go a bit further to Six Roads. So walking back to the front. So you have the driveway. So let's finish up on the roof deck. Overlooks some of the neighborhood out to the sea. So if you're interested in this property with loads of potential, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms on just under 20,000 square feet of land, give the Dream Team at Global Estate Agency a call. Reach us at 426-9469, area code 246. You can get more details on our website, www.globalestateagency.net. Also, connect with us on Instagram, same company name, Global Estate Agency. Find us on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. And even check us on TikTok. So most of the popular platforms, you will find us there. That telephone number again, 246-426-9469. Let me know how I did with this video. If you like these more long format, slow videos, so I appreciate the property more. Or do you prefer a quicker video just showing the rooms and, maybe a minute, 2 minutes? Until the next video, take care. All the best.